Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide about removing the ransomware called LEAKDB. LEAKDB is the ransomware that may damage the files. In advance, I want to tell you that my video is only for educational purposes. Only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware. I'll also give you some recommendations about the great software that can help you protect your data. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this LEAKDB ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably. So this ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the data and appends this LEAKDB extension to the file names. So it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware also tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money, don't pay that ransom. And this is the ransom note, by the way. This is the way it looks like. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. As you see, the application is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on Start Scan button, the software will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database. And you should not skip that very important step to make sure that this ransomware is properly detected. Now, then the scanning will begin. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. But it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Anyway, take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. And at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.